Hello and welcome to the Unique Home Solutions and More. If you have been searching for a quality bathing soap that is rich, nourishing and suitable for a healthy skin, then this tutorial is for you. Search no further. In this video today, I will be showing you how to produce quality shea butter bathing soap in the right procedure and using the correct ingredients that both beginners and small business owners can easily follow. This tutorial will help you to produce quality shea butter soap with confidence. Whether you are producing for the family use or you want to start a small scale business on skincare products, this tutorial is rightly here to guide you. So guys, let's get started. We are making shea butter bathing soap enriched with vitamin E and glycerin. This soap is very rich. So I was just trying to test the foaming ability of the soap. You can see that the soap lathers very well. Alright, this is our measuring bowl. Then my silicone mold. That's my whiskers for stirring the soap. Then this is animal fat, 1 liter. This is shea butter, about 150 mils. This is my caustic soda, less than 1/4 kg. Then my water is 500 mils. I have my vitamin E, about 30 mils. Glycerin, we use 30 mils. Fragrance, we use 30 mils. Then that is the color we are going to use just to make it look better. The first thing is pour water into the mixing bowl where you are going to dissolve the caustic soda. Then you stir and dissolve the caustic soda. The water is 500 mils, don't forget, half a liter. Then I poured in my caustic soda and start stirring. You allow this to dissolve very well and leave the heat to go out. You can see the heat has gone out. So it's ready for mixing now. When you are making this soap, you have to be very fast because as the soap is being formed, it's getting solidified immediately. So what I did was measure out my vitamin E into my shea butter already melted. I measured 30 mils, that's 3 tablespoons into my already melted shea butter. Then why I'm doing this is because if I wait till the soap is formed before adding it, it will be delaying, and in that process the soap can be getting hardened. So I added my glycerin, 30 mils, also 3 spoons of glycerin. Okay, now we are ready for the production proper. You can see the light solution already has cooled down and the color is now looking neutral. So you can go in with your animal fat now. Stir it very well. You just continue to stir as you are pouring and the soap is being formed immediately. Now because I'm using the correct measurement, you just have to finish everything, because when the ingredient is complete and is in the right proportion, you will have the kind of texture of soup that you desire. So after pouring the animal fat and mixing it for a while, I go in with my shea butter already mixed with glycerin and vitamin E and stir it properly. This kind of soap is the one that will keep your skin glowing. And people will be trying to find out what you are using. If you are not producing for sale, you can also produce for your family use. Now I go in with my fragrance. I chose a very nice fragrance so that when I'm bathing I can be very happy. So I stirred very vigorously again. You can see that the soap is formed. Now I didn't want it to be watery because I wanted a soap that is strong. So I went in with my color. Now you can use any color of your choice. The color is just make it look a little bit different. The ideal color I should have added to this soap is white. When I'm producing the next batch, I'm going to use white and it's going to come out more beautiful, but the content is still the same. So I stirred vigorously, stirred it very well. Make sure that all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed together. Then I brought out my silicone mold. One thing I like about this silicone mold is you don't need to grease the pan. You just put your soap. That's why it's silicone. So I packed in my soap mixture right into my mold. Now I have to be fast about it. If you want it to maybe come out a little bit soft, you can increase the quantity of water you use in dissolving your caustic soda, maybe 100 ml more. I use 500 ml intentionally because I wanted it to look very strong so that the soap can last. So I am trying to shape the soap in the mold, and you have to be very fast at this point because as it's cooling down, the soap is already solidifying. So I finished molding and I left it for about 2 hours. Now this is it after 2 hours, already dry. Leave the soap for about 2 weeks. We have come to the end of today's video and we have successfully made our Shea Butter Bathing Soap. I hope this tutorial has shown to you that the production of quality skincare products is achievable when you follow the right process and use good quality ingredients. If you found this video valuable, please guys, give it thumbs up, share to your friends who may want to learn the skill, and let me hear from you. Drop your thoughts or your question in the comment section. And again, if you are interested in learning professionally, you want to learn more about how to make all these products, I'm glad to inform you that our unique Home Solutions Academy is almost ready for admission of students. So get prepared and get set. We have a lot to dish out in the academy. We'll be talking everything that you need to know about oil perfume production, how to use it, and how to run the business fully. We'll also be talking about our cleaning products. It's another course entirely. The cleaning products, everything you need to know about the production, the use, and even the sales. And we'll also be talking about the mindset, because you need a business mindset to be able to run a successful business. So if you are interested, guys, keep watching my videos, because when the academy is set, we shall declare it open and it's something affordable. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless you, and until next week, keep learning, keep improving, and keep winning. Bye.